Okay, the pasta is boiling. Here I've got sliced zucchini, one zucchini that I picked from my garden. I fried it in olive oil, put some salt, some fresh black pepper, and crushed red chili pepper. Of course, you could put whatever else you want, tomato. And then, when I'm gonna mix it with the pasta, I'm gonna add some fresh basil. I strained the pasta a little bit harder, al dente, and as you can see, it's a mixture of bow ties and penne rigati. Now I have the fire going on the zucchini to warm it up, and I'm gonna mix the pasta in there with the zucchini. This zucchini is enough, I think, for 2 people, 2 orders. So I'm gonna put the pasta right in there. I don't want to mix too much because I'd rather eat the zucchini. Perfect. Then stir it up. Oh boy, you can smell it. My favorite way to eat zucchini, fried. Then I'm going to put the fresh basil last. Okay, the reason I like mixing the pasta and cooking it in the frying pan because the pasta will absorb the flavor of the garlic and the olive oil and the zucchini, and there's the basil, and this baby is done and ready to eat. Here is the pasta and some vino and some figs for dessert. Oh yeah, some cheese to put on the pasta. Pecorino Romano, beautiful thing. Zucchini, garlic, fresh basil, olive oil, and pasta. Okay, here's the test. The pasta, man, oh man. Wow, fantastic. Wow, so balanced. Yeah, zucchini, pasta, garlic, a sip of vino. Ah, yeah, a little Pinot Grigio. Bon appetit. A fig for dessert. Wow. Nature's candy, and this was my candy when I was a kid. Fantastic meal. I encourage you to cook. Antonio Mystic, Bellissimo. Cook for yourself. It's best. It's easy. Email me and I'll show you how to do it. Ciao.